Hello everyone.
Duduzile Zuma, the daughter of the former President Jacob Zuma, continued to drag the former President Thabo Mbeki, and she's now going for his family. She commented on the post that was dragging Mbeki. The tweet said, Thabo Mbeki, a man who even his own father said he is not to be trusted because of his bitterness. Duduzile Zuma commented and said, Mbeki's relationship with Gov was so bad that he wouldn't go see his own father. President Zuma made it a point every December he would go to the Eastern Cape to visit Gov. So not only is Thabo Mbeki bitter about Polokwane, he is also bitter to President Zuma that he had a better relationship with his father. People reacted in his comment, and one said, "You are lying. The Mbeki family are a solid family. The men are headstrong, and that was because they were Gov's sons. Gov raised his sons Thabo and Moeletsi well to know who they are, and they are what they are today because of his leadership style and being a good parent. Moeletsi can publicly disagree with Thabo Mbeki without being vile, rude or condescending. They are all intellectuals and have used their intellect to grow the country's economy and political power. You don't have to defend what is non-defendable. Thabo Mbeki left the economy in a much better state to what your father left it." Someone also commented and said, Mbeki hit where it matters the most. He must have at least one of these speeches weekly or daily until elections. Another one also said it's him who orchestrated the rape case against President Zuma. He wanted to eliminate President Zuma, and he thinks we don't know that. But his calculations backfired because it was him on the chopping block. Filthy, dirty old man, he's showing us his true colors. Duduzile also took it to her timeline and wrote, "If President Mbeki can lie unprovoked about President Zuma, what else has he lied about?" People engaged in her timeline, and one said that he has lied about not being a creator of COPE. They can say all the lies and smear campaigns about President Zuma, but it won't change our love. Our love for President Zuma. We have been lied to by WMC media and every hater on earth, but we know who President Zuma is. We have unconstitutional love for him. Another one said, if your dad can steal the MK name from the ANC, what more did your dad steal from the ANC? Duduzile went as far as posting an image where there's Thabo Mbeki and Johan Rupert and captioned, "The master said boy, attack." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.